For over 4 decades, the Honda Accord has been the gold standard for the midsize sedan, and for 2026, it refuses to surrender its crown. While the world seems obsessed with SUVs, the 2026 Accord makes a powerful case for why the sedan still reigns supreme. This year's model is an exercise in elegance, efficiency, and intelligence. Honda has moved the Accord further upmarket, blurring the lines between a mainstream daily driver and a premium executive car. It is designed for the professional who values a low, athletic driving position, a sleek silhouette, and a level of refinement that most crossovers simply cannot match. This is the Accord at its most mature, refined, and technologically advanced. The design philosophy for 2026 is minimalist sophistication. The Accord retains its long, fastback-inspired roofline, but the details have been sharpened. The front fascia features a more intricate, gloss black mesh grille flanked by ultra-slim full LED headlights that provide a wide, penetrating beam. There are no unnecessary creases or fake vents here. Every line on the 2026 Accord serves a purpose, whether it's to reduce whine noise or improve fuel efficiency on the side. The 2026 model introduces new 19-inch machine-finished alloy wheels that give the car a planted, confident stance. The rear is characterized by a seamless, horizontal LED light bar that spans the trunk, emphasizing the car's width and giving it a premium, European-inspired look at night. For those who want a bit more edge, the Sportel trim adds blacked-out accents and a discreet rear spoiler that hints at the performance lying beneath the hood. Open the door. And the 2026 Accord welcomes you into a cabin that feels incredibly airy and upscale. The signature metal honeycomb mesh spans the dashboard, hiding the air vents and creating a clean, horizontal aesthetic. But the real star is the technology. All hybrid trims now come standard with a 12.3-inch color touchscreen featuring Google built-in. This means Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store are native to the car. Allowing for a seamless transition from your home to your commute, the seats have been redesigned with new body stabilizing technology to reduce fatigue on long hauls. And the top-tier Touring trim offers ventilated front seats and heated rear seats. For the driver, the 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster provides crisp, customizable data, from hybrid energy flow to navigation turns, with acoustic laminated glass and improved sound deadening in the wheel wells. The 2026 Accord offers a whisper-quiet environment that rivals dedicated luxury brands. Honda is doubling down on electrification for 2026, while the 1.5L Turbo remains available for the entry-level trims. The heart of the 2026 lineup is the 4th-generation 2-motor hybrid system. This powertrain is a masterclass in engineering, pairing a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with 2 electric motors to produce 104 horsepower and a robust 247 pounds-ft of torque. What makes the 2026 Accord special is how it drives. It feels responsive and punchy thanks to the instant electric torque, while the retuned steering and suspension provide a level of connectedness to the road that SUVs can't replicate. The linear shift control system ensures that the engine sound matches the acceleration, eliminating that rubber band feel often found in other hybrids. It's a car that handles with precision, stays flat through the corners, and still manages to deliver incredible fuel economy, often exceeding 50 mpg in city driving. So, after spending the day with the 2026 Honda Accord, one thing is very clear: the sedan is far from dead. In fact, if more cars were built like this, people might stop buying SUVs altogether. The Accord continues to do what it does best, offering a near-perfect balance of reliability, space, and a premium feel that honestly makes you question why you'd spend more on a luxury badge. It's a car that respects the driver. It gives you the latest tech with Google built-in, the safety of an improved Honda sensing suite, and a hybrid powertrain that is as fun as it is frugal. It's the smart choice, but for 2026, it's also the stylish choice. But I want to know what you think. Does the 2026 Accord do enough to keep you away from a crossover? Are you a fan of this clean, minimalist design, or were you hoping for something more aggressive? And for the longtime Accord fans, is this hybrid-focused direction the right move for Honda? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love reading your take on these new models. If you enjoyed this deep dive, Please hit that like button, it really helps the channel, and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming head-to-head comparison between this and the new Toyota Camry.